In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer in Kapwing. Whether you're working on a project for school, creating a gaming video, or just having fun with friends, countdown timers can be a fantastic way to build suspense and keep your audience engaged. Let's get started by opening up your web browser and heading over to Kapwing's website. It's a fantastic online tool that helps you create and edit video content quickly. Once you're on their homepage, look for the Sign In button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will prompt you to choose your preferred method of signing in. For many, the easiest way is to select Sign In with Google. Just click that option and choose the Google account you wish to use. This integration makes the process seamless, as you gain immediate access to all of your projects stored within Kapwing. With your account now accessible, you'll want to proceed to your project dashboard. Here you can either begin a new project or open an existing one where you'd like to incorporate the countdown timer. Today we are focusing on using pre-made assets for your countdown, such as GIFs or videos, which simplifies the whole process greatly and assures a polished outcome. Next, navigate to the search bar within Kapwing and type Countdown Timer. Kapwing's rich library of assets will surface a variety of options for you, complete with different timers that are both dynamic and visually engaging. Take your time to browse through these options to find the style that best fits your video's theme. Once you've located a GIF or video that strikes your interest, select it. By adding this to your project, you're incorporating a ready-to-use countdown timer that already has the countdown functionality built into it. This means you won't need to manually animate or time each increment, saving you a lot of time and ensuring accuracy in your timing. After inserting your selected countdown timer, you might want to adjust how it interacts with the rest of your video content. For example, you can scale it to fit perfectly within your frame, adjust its position to maintain balance with other on-screen elements, or change its duration to match specific segments of your video. And there you have it. Your video now features a countdown timer that enhances your presentation and keeps your viewers engaged. You can finalize any additional edits or adjustments your project needs, then save and export your work to share with your audience. Congratulations! You've successfully added a countdown timer to your project in Kapwing. Don't hesitate to experiment with different styles and setups to find what works best for your content. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing.